Hello and welcome. This is Satya Gaming, and today I will show you 7 websites you probably never heard about. A few are only for fun, but a few are useful too, so that you can actually do something useful on the internet than waste your time. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first website we will talk about is Photopea. It is an online photo editor. It is the best that's out there. You can do general edits, you can do really elaborate edits. You can take this as an online alternative for Photoshop. It can also save your files as PSD so that you can use it on photo. You can also save it as PNG, JPG, SVG, GIF file, PDF, and a lot more. On to the next one. This website is called Numbeo. It is more on the fun side than the useful side for most people unless you are moving to a new city. It shows the cost of living of a particular city that you search for. You can use this website if you are shifting to a new city or just check how expensive or inexpensive your city is. You can see here that a meal at an inexpensive restaurant or a meal at McDonald's, you can see the price differences in Mumbai, Bangalore, and you can see the percentage of difference. A Coke or Pepsi water is more while all foods are less in Bangalore. See, that is this website, and it gives you nice cost of living index. Very useful website, and hopefully you can use it to your liking. By the way, all the links to the websites are available down below in the description. So moving on to the next one, we have a website called Rave. It lets you mix 2 songs to make a mashup or 10 or more songs to make a mixtape like a DJ. It works flawlessly. All you need to do is paste in your YouTube song links, or Spotify does, so it'll be either a mashup or a mix as many into a DJ set. I had a lot of fun using this website, and I also made a song called Faded with the Devil, which you can check out from the link in the description. It's pretty good. So I'll just show you how to do some add-in. As you can see, you need to add in a couple of songs, then just tap on the create mashup and it will do its thing and you'll get a song pretty much. That was like a trailer to the song I've made. You can just go and check it out from the link in the description. Next up on our list is a website called How Secure Is My Password. It is pretty self-explanatory, you see. You type in your password and it tells you how strong your password is and also how much time it would take a computer to crack it. So let's say we will put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As you can see, it says your password would be cracked instantly by a computer, which is not that surprising. Instead of that, if I go for some more of a complicated password, so I've keyed in a more complicated password and it says it would take a computer about 131 billion years to crack your password, which is pretty good, you see. It's pretty fun and useful at the same time because you can check for your passwords, and if it is very easy to crack it, you should be changing your password because you don't want to give away your account, I guess. That's pretty much this website, one of the most useful websites. You should use this every time you're setting a new password up. Moving on, we have Sleepy Time or sleepytea.me, whatever you want to call that. All you need to do is tell it when you want to wake up or what time you will sleep. It will tell you at what time you need to sleep or at what time you need to wake up. So for example, if I say I want to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, it just tells me that I should try to fall asleep by 9, 10:30 or 12 or 1:30. It is based on the sleep cycles. It just backwards counts it so that you need not wake up in the middle of a sleep cycle, which makes you tired. So waking up at the perfect end of a sleep cycle will keep you refreshed. That is what this does, and I'll show you the other way around too. find out when you need to get up if you go to bed now. That's that. If I'm going to sleep right now, I will have to wake up at 5:23 p.m. because it's a p.m. right now. It makes sense, right? It's pretty handy when you need to wake up at a certain time and won't because you slept late, and the next day you don't wake up and you don't do your work. Up next, we have more of a fun website than a useful one. It is called the Outrider Bomb Blast website. What you need to do is key in a location, let's say Bengaluru. If it will pick that up, yeah, it will. So if I key in Bengaluru, it will take its time to load it. So as you can see, I've used Bengaluru, Karnataka, India, and you can select the type of bomb. It will let you know what will happen if a bomb is dropped in your location or anywhere in the world. So if this bomb W87 has a surface blast, it will kill how much ever this is. It will kill 8,27,453 people, and it will cause injuries to 14,26,910 people in Bengaluru or around it, which is pretty scary to see these numbers. You can see all the explore the effects thing. The fireball, this is the fire, this is mostly where all the people will die. This is also where the people will die. The heat, the shock wave can destroy buildings and whatever, anything there. The radiation is going to give a lot of people a lot of diseases. The last one is a website you might have heard of. It's known as GIPHY. It has every GIF ever created on planet Earth. You can just search it. Let's say good morning meme is what you want. You can just search it there. Let's say we will pick this one, wake up coffee GIF by good morning. So as you can see the GIF here. You can favorite it, copy link and share it in your media and social media, embed it in your whatever. You can share it directly from here to your social media, but the only problem I could see was that you cannot download it. Say if you want to share it on WhatsApp or anything, you cannot do that from here. That is one downside of this website. Thank you ever so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed and started using some of these websites. Don't forget to hit the like button and also smash that subscribe button very hard. Okay, you need to hit it very hard. You cannot hit it soft and all. And also remember to hit the bell icon so that you get notified on my next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.